Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. For today's topic, we'll be tackling on how to connect Google Analytics on System I/O. Let's hop into the steps. First, go to the Google Analytics website and log into your account. Then click on the admin button. Click on the Create and Choose property. In here, fill up the required information like the property name. Then after that, click Next below. Now describe your business. Simply choose the information about your business. After that, click Next below. Here, choose your business objectives. For now, let's pick this and then click on the Create button below. After creating a property, choose a platform that you want. So in our case, let's pick the web platform. So here, it will ask you your website URL. To find this, go over to your System I/O and log into your account. In the main tab, click on the funnels. Then choose what funnel do you want. For now, let's just choose this tutorial funnel. Under the URL path, simply copy the link or click the copy button beside it. After you copied it, go back to Google Analytics. Then simply paste it on the box and remove the HTTPS. After that, put the stream name that you prefer. Make sure that the Enhance Measurement is enabled. Then click on Create Stream below. After that, click on the View Tag Instructions. Then go over to the Install manually. Click on the Copy button to copy the codes of Google Tag. Then go to System I/O site. In the main tab, click on your profile icon located at the top right, then choose Settings. On the left side, click on the Sales Funnels. Then under the tracking code, paste the copied code from Google Tag. Then click Save button above. Now go over to Google Analytics, and it should now be updated and connected to System I/O. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.